And well, like I mentioned earlier, I bought this gun in Airsoft Megastore. I highly recommend it for all Airsoft players. You can find good guns for cheap prices like this one. Metal barrel and awesome frames, feet per second. Costs like $82, $85, and with shipping and handling costs to $120, but it's worth it. It's worth it. For a gun like this, it's worth it, and I have no regrets buying it. So yeah, this has been a review of my AEG Double Eagle AK-47 2010 model, and hopefully I'll see you in our first recording of our first Airsoft game. Peace out.
How do you say Russian muscle?
Hola, este es Sergio aquí en Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. Mira esta pistola. I think this is the power of revenge. Hear this. And this gun is cool.
Now, mommy, ¿tú sabes qué? Hi, I'm Eric Alorondo.
And I'm Daniel Marcus. And this is a sound test.
First up, AK-47.
Russian bastard.
Suck my cock.
There you go.
Semi. Full auto. You think you can do better? Let me see what you got.
Yeah, this American muscle right here.
What,
this
wait,
one beat you.
I was talking plain English in the beginning.
Doesn't really fucking matter. Go.
It's American muscle right here. Semi. Full auto. That side is even not charged.
Oh, you know what? AK.
Whoa.
Can I join in? Yes.
Can you get that?
Yeah.